Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is Arvind from Merit Pros. Let's get started. How to create a project inside your Eclipse? It's a simple project. Okay, let's try to create a very simple project and let me show you how to create it out. So it's going to be very simple. Go to your file, new. So, file, new. And we don't find any Maven over here, just Java projects we identify. That's it. So any other things which you don't find it out over here in your Eclipse, just click on your others. Simple. So this is kind of whatever projects you can create it inside your Eclipse. This will list it out, but depending upon whatever the plugins install, also some extra things would be populating, so don't worry about it. Let's focus on Maven alone. So just to quickly identify, just type in Maven. Simple. Yeah. Got it. So this is what is about. So we have a Maven folder and these are the projects that we can create it out. So we can click on the Maven project, click next, and we land on this particular screen. So we are going to create a very simple project, and whatever project in Maven, it's a very simple one. So click on the create a simple project, and what is the workspace that you're going to choose it up. Just uncheck this one, and then when you used to open your Eclipse, it will ask for a workspace. Just give that default workspace. Okay, so this is showing something different for me, so don't use it this one. So my particular thing is like, this is my location of my Eclipse, so I'm going to give the location of your Eclipse. Okay, click on use this default, click on next. So this is going to be the naming screen for your Maven. So if you're in a Maven project, you're going to name the Maven project, obviously. So what is group ID, artifact ID, version, packaging, name, and description? Simple. We are going to see all these stuffs. Okay. So what is group ID and artifact ID? So group ID is nothing but for a particular project in an organization, we call that particular ID as a group ID. So it's going to be something called uh, a project for an organization. Okay, a complete organization. Like say you're working in Standard Charter, so you create a project for the particular Standard Charter. So that ID for the project is represented by your group ID, and your artifact ID is nothing but your like a subgroup. Okay, inside the group ID, I'll have the artifact ID. Or if you want to make it more simpler, the group ID is not going to be visible to anyone. Your artifact ID is nothing but your project ID. Simple. Your name of your project. Okay, simple. So let me give it as a Merit Pros test project. Okay, and let me give the artifact ID Merit Pros project online. Simple. So for the naming conventions, let maintain it as a small letters. So that is what in an industry we usually do. We give it everything in a small letters, and this version is nothing but this will be useful, or this is used for the development of the project. It is by default given by your Maven, so it is used for the development of the project. And for the packaging, like we saw in a slide, right? A jar and a war file. Okay, so we can configure it over here. So I give it as a jar file because that is being widely used. Unless you're demanded for a war file, you can check the war file also, no issues. So we'll go with the jar now, and the name and description is nothing but it's going to be what you're going to do and how you're going to do and for whom you're going to do. Like basically we'll give what is our automation framework is about. Okay, something like, so we can call it as Merit Pros description, sample Maven Merit Pros. Simple. Okay, so don't worry about the parent project. We'll come to the later part on it. So as of now, to create a Maven project, let's stick on to this particular item, the artifact. So it's going to be a group ID, artifact ID, version, packaging, name, and description. Simple. So group ID, it's going to be an organization name. Your artifact ID is going to be your project name, and your version, it's by default Maven is giving it to you. So it is, the purpose of version is nothing but for your development purpose. And packaging is nothing but once you compile your project, how you package it. You want it as a jar, war, or any type of file, you can select it out. The name and description is up to the users, or like say up to the person who is creating the project. So it can be anything. So any doubt till here so far? Please feel free to interfere at any point of time. Not an issue. Okay. Hope no questions till now. Okay. But in any point of time, if you have something question or you want me to repeat it again, just ping it in the chat. Not an issue. And I'm going to click on the finish. So it's going to create a project. So you can see at the bottom over here, it did something, right? So let me open the project space over here. And I think we created as a merit pros, right? So there's a lot of projects with me. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, here is it. So this is the project that we created out. Merit pros test project online. So the next thing is like how to identify it. Just open the pom.xml, simple. You can see it over here, what and all we did it at the first part. Like say, let me go to the slide. This particular part on the artifact section. So those things are available over here. Simple as this. Okay, group ID, artifact ID, version, name and description. Simple as it is. So this is how you're going to create a Maven project. Simple. Thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics will help you in your career development and growth. See you in our next video.